What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Crusader kitchen. The following video was actually recorded back in July from East Fork Lake Campground here in Ohio. Today we're making chicken quesadillas at the campsite. I wanted to save some footage of summer to release during the winter to kind of help me get through the last little 11th hour of winter. I'm ready for summer. I'm ready to go camping again. So I hope you enjoy the following chicken quesadillas at the campground. Let's get cooking. Alright, in proper fashion, I'm gonna overcomplicate this by using as many tools as I can. So we're starting out with the Traeger Ranger. Just going to go ahead and get it preheated to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure I didn't leave anything in there. Oh, and we're good to go. So once we get it preheated, I'm going to use this boneless, skinless chicken breast that I have just coated with some salt and pepper, because that's what I have in the camper. And we're going to go ahead and place it on the pellet smoker grill device Traeger Ranger. Nope, paper towel's not an ingredient. Leave that in there. Come on. There you go. And so I don't have to keep opening it up, I am going to use the probe. This probe has been mighty accurate for me, so I'm going to place it in the thickest part of one of the chicken thighs. And close the lid. And we wait for it to come to temperature. Yeah, see? Probe 170. So I'm going to go ahead and trigger the shutdown cycle. And it's time to remove the chicken. Come on, release the probe. There you go. Yeah, look at that. I can't wait to eat this. Yeah, so just go ahead and I'm gonna set these aside like that. You sure you couldn't have cut that out? Whatever. So there's that, and you can see the timer counting down. That's the shutdown cycle. Go ahead and close the lid again. And one of the things that I like to do with chicken thighs, because they do have a decent amount of fat in them, is I let them rest a little bit. And even though it's like 180 degrees outside today, still going to put a towel over it, and I'm just going to let it rest for a couple of minutes. Oh, hello. And we're going to go ahead and chop it up. If you're following along and you prefer to shred it, go a little higher in temperature. Go 175, 180, 185. It'll shred a little easier at that temperature. But we're just cubing it, or slicing it, or dicing it. We're doing that to it. Okay? You got it. You guys are smart. Now we're headed over to the Blackstone Explorer. It's time to start making the quesadillas. So I have found that these Mission tortillas are the best. And I use burrito size for my quesadillas. And the Mexican blend is the meltiest of cheeses I've found. And I like to preheat one side, give it a flip, and then we're going to go ahead and apply a heaping helping of this blended Mexican style cheese. And this is going to work as layer number 1 of glue. There's our chicken. And didn't bring my entire seasoning cabinet with me. If you really wanted to, put some taco seasoning on your chicken instead. But, you know, I like to travel light. Nope. So then, after the layer of chicken, add another layer of cheese, and that works as another layer of glue. Why are you being stingy with the cheese? That's not like you. I must have woke up on the wrong side of the bed. Goodness. So anyway, this is the large style one, and it gets a hat, and then a cover. And we are on medium heat right now. And if I remember correctly, it's not going well. So I go ahead and I crank up the heat. And actually, now that it's March while I'm editing this, I should probably put that on my list of things to do. Perhaps I need to reach out to Blackstone and see about getting a new propane regulator device thing, because I don't feel like this was getting hot enough. I don't know. Do you guys have any experience with Blackstone support? Let me know in the comments below if you have any suggestions, because this is going slower than I anticipated. But as you can see, it is getting there. So if you're having problems, or if you don't have a Blackstone, or if you're doing this, in a skillet, basically you're looking for color, not time. Well, it's not a drum, dude. Come on. So we're looking for that nice golden brown color. That's how you know it's brown. That's how you know it's done. So I'm going to show you how to do a smaller size batch. So this one is going to be like a snack size, or a single. I like to preheat one side, give it a little flip, and then just over half of the surface area, add some more cheese. And why are you shorting yourself again? You love cheese. Add some more chicken. Right, like so. Yep. That's good chicken. And then, you guessed it, another layer of cheese. Oh, that's why you were being stingy. You were about out. Oops. So anyway, once you have all your layers in, and please feel free to modify this as you wish. Put whatever you want in there. Fold it over. And now this is more of your traditional style quesadilla. I'm going to close the lid. And just like the big one, every once in a while I'll come in here and give it a flip. It's more of the color we're looking for. So that's neat. And once you're ready, both sides looking good, take it off, slice it up into triangles like a pizza, and bingo, bango, bongo. Quesadilla time. Oh hey, it's me again. Present Daniel, not last July Daniel. So I didn't like the intro or outro that I recorded back in July, so we're redoing it. So here, look at these nice pictures that I saved on my phone of chicken quesadillas at the campsite. Guys, I thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you want to see more Crusader kitchen videos, I ask that you let me know. I'm very excited for summer. It's time for winter to go back to wherever winter goes when it's not winter. And, well, guys, until next week, be well.